We divide 623 by 5 in long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting, we get 1. So now we put down these 2 and it is 12. 5 times 2 is 10. On subtracting, we get 2. So again we put down these 3 and it is 23. 5 times 4 is 20. On subtracting, we get 3. So now we have no any other number to put it down. So we take here decimal, so that we put 0. So it is 30 and 5 times 6 is 30. On subtracting, we get 0. So 623 divided by 5 is 124.6. So this much for today and thanks for watching.